Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Civivi Vexillum. I'm not going to lie, when I saw this knife posted initially, I was like, awesome. Civivi's making a large to extra large size pocket knife, which I haven't seen or had personally from them. So, needless to say, I am very pumped to see how this is. Let's check it out. Yeah, first things first, this is an absolute chunk or chonk. Wow, it is beastie. Looking at it, I really love these diamonds. Very reminiscent to me of 1911 grips. Very cool. Not aggressive at all, but very tactile. Beautiful. This blade shape, it is awesome. I would say this reminds me of like the SOG Super Bowie or SOG 2.0 Bowie or Bowie. Definitely reminds me of that. And that is a fighting knife. So that leads me to believe that that is what this knife is all about as well. I mean, it is substantial. It is a big knife. Very, very nice. Excellent jimping. Very large thumb studs here. I really like the back spacer here. It is milled out as well. I believe it's G10. We have a lanyard hole here. Deep carry pocket clip. Right side tip up carry only. This is very interesting here. If you check out underneath the pocket clip, it's milled out to a nice oval. So when you're putting your pants on, it's they're not grinding against the diamonds to get in. Basically not wearing on your pants. So that's a very thoughtful design there. Very easy to deploy, right and left-handed. I always try to show the left-handed manipulation because I am absolutely the most uncoordinated person ever with my left hand. So if I struggle, you may not, but all right, so in a stab position, I mean, this is very comfortable. I have large hands and there's a lot of real estate front and back on this handle. So if you have big old XXL mitts, this knife is for you. But this still, for me, with a large hand, is very comfortable. Check it out on this one. Really love that jimping. Ooh, I do want to check this out. I'm going to reposition here. Very nice choil. And if you can, I mean, you can really choke up on this thing with the way this is designed. So I always say, if you're carving some wood or need to do real intricate work, for being such a massive blade, you have a lot of possibilities on how you hold your hand. So, very nice. Let's do some specs on it. All right, overall length is 9.03 inches. That's a big one. Blade length, 3.81 inches. Close length or handle length of 5.22 inches. A handle thickness of 0.59 inches. And a blade stock thickness of 0.15 inches. A substantial weight of 6.12 ounces, or 173.5 grams if you count your weight in grams. This is a Nitro V blade. It is a flat grind. Try to get a good reflection off here. Flat ground, and it's black finish. This particular one is finished in black stonewash, and it is absolutely stunning. This is my first black blade of Civivi's, so I've never been a fan of blade coatings because coatings are just that. They coat the blade, they're not a surface hardening condition. This is definitely a surface hardening, which means it's not going to chip off or flake into your food if you're cutting it or using it for that purpose. So, huge fan of this. Let's see how the action is. Oh yeah, that thing is so substantial, it just falls right shut. I know a lot of people, really knife guys, love that. For me, it doesn't really matter. Perfectly centered, as every one of my Civivis have ever been. The action is very amazing. I mean, it just launches with the greatest of ease. And if I do it fast, I mean, it's a rocket. Same way with the left hand. Of course it's gonna fly like that. It's riding on caged ceramic ball bearings, which I think everyday carry would be easy with this because it's not too thick. You will fill it in your pockets, but you're wearing jeans, this will go right in there easily. Hiking, self-defense, a big thing that I always judge knives on is if I can use them for processing game. And the geometry on this blade, absolutely. It'll be a slicer. So I'm definitely, this is gonna find its way into my permanent collection. It is a beaut. Let's do some size comparisons with the Vexillum. This is the Civivi Synergy 3. So it is substantially larger than that. And this is the Civivi Mini Praxis. I just got this today. It's actually a gift for my son, so if I post this before I get home from this trip, he's gonna see his surprise, and it won't be that well of a surprise. So technically, I have two black blades. You heard me saying there, this is my first black Civivi blade, but this one's not for me. This is a substantial knife, and if we set these, if I set the Synergy 3, which has been in my pocket for a few weeks now, on top of the Vexillum, it is massive. Can't wait to see what this Mini Praxis looks like on top. Big difference in the overall size of those blades. Well, I'm gonna say it. This is an absolute winner. Absolutely beautiful, massive self-defense knife tool. Amazing. Thank you, Civivi, for bringing this to the market. This definitely, to me, has military-esque cues. I am a huge fan. I hope you like what you see here. If you like this video, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel. I am a brand new channel, so every little thing helps. Also, tell me what you like about this knife in the comments down below. That would be much appreciated. Again, thank you for your time. Have a good day.